So today is a really exciting vlog. If any of you follow on my Instagram, you'll have seen me hype up this last Vegas trip for ages. And the reason for that is because we actually won it. So I'm going out to Vegas with loads of my business partners that all won a free trip. So it's amazing that we, you know, be able to see Las Vegas in that way. So what I'm going to do is vlog it all. Try and be a good vlogger, try and actually get my camera out because I know Mexico I was in like dribs and drabs of it. But yeah, I've just literally drove, I think it's like 3.5 hours and it wasn't a bad drive at all. I just parked my car at the airport parking and I'm waiting to get the transfer to Terminal 3 and meeting all the girls there, which is really exciting. I am on the hunt for one specific bag in the shop and I've actually came early to go shopping, so I'm just praying that it is there because it's so hard to get hold of. So we'll see if the bag's there, but I'm really excited. I really hope it is. It's a little treat to myself for getting to a certain position within my business, so we'll see what happens. But yes, really excited to meet all the girls there, plus Liam, keep forgetting Jan's boyfriend as well. But yes, that is all. So me and Charlotte found Louis Vuitton and they have the bag, which this is the bag that I was talking about, and he came in and he said that they didn't have it, and then he checked in the stock room and said one's literally just come in, so it's fate. So I've been reunited with everybody and we're just in the airport lounge at the moment. Me and Charlotte, we did end up actually treating ourselves, didn't we? Well, Charlotte came as Charlotte came as moral support with me. But yes, so we've got truffle, mac and cheese, and prosecco. So we're going to try and get as much as we can while we're actually here. You excited, Jahan? Yes. So we're taking advantage, aren't we, of the unlimited prosecco. And Alicia's here now, and Rosie. So me and Jahan, we've took advantage of the bar, haven't we?
A little bit, yeah. Just one.
We don't actually know where we're meant to be going. We've just not through security through the gate. We're both lightweights because we're so small.
It was nice, right? Rose one.
It was. We've got all the best angles. I think we're actually meant to start walking, you know. Oh, I think you're right. Right, let's go and have a look. So all my little friends have come to join me.
I feel like we should get some prosecco. Cheers. I mean, I've got a cup of tea. No, my wine's over there. I don't drink wine. I fancy it. Do you fancy shit too? Are you kidding? I feel like I'm a really immature child. I'm like,
it's like flight hookups.
Yeah.
A few more glasses and you'll be talking to him.
Vegas days. My mum's just sat there.
You look so pretty in this lighting.
Yeah. We send it to him.
I can't even I can't.
He's already started.
Honey's touchdown in Vegas. The strippers on TV.
We've literally just got off a taxi and we're checking into the first airport. What am I talking about? The first hotel, which is the Stratosphere. This is literally just a one night and then we're at the Venetian tomorrow. But yes, we are so tired. The flight was like 11 hours. But we made it. I think we're just literally going to have some dinner tonight. Well, like snacks, not a good angle. Snacks and drinks. They decided that these two have to get married. We'll check in a moment, but I explained about my Louis bag earlier, I think, and how that was literally fate. And then everything's just going our way today. I've been craving Coca-Cola literally since I got off the flight, and all I could say was that I wanted ice with it as well. We've just got our room, 002, there it is. But guess what's right there? An ice and vending machine. So yeah, literally right next to our room. So today's my lucky day and we're just about to go in the room and so we can actually sit down because I'm making Charlotte wait. So we've just checked into the room and this is the view that we can see outside. It's not very clear, but there is the tower up there which we're going to go and have a look at. Excited. So after a much needed Coca-Cola, we've been able to pull ourselves together and actually put something on. So I'm just wearing these jeans with these really cute Primark heels, which were literally the best investment ever because they're such a nice size. They're like that little kitten heel or whatever they're called. They're probably a bit higher than kitten heels, so I'm probably saying the complete wrong thing. This blazer's new and it's from Misguided, and I can't really wear the puffy sleeves at home. I feel really silly in it, but I thought Vegas, why not go all out? And then my new Marc Jacobs bag, and we're gonna go and get some food, aren't we? Gonna try and just have a little walk around and then get some much needed sleep. So our grand plans of this evening have ended up in us being in McDonald's. But it's all good because they have the buffalo sauce that I was after and the chicken tenders. So just here with my Coca-Cola, loving life, but can't ever go wrong with the Mackies. And yeah, we're just waiting for someone to come and then we don't know what we're doing. So we're back in the room now. We gave in because we definitely need some sleep. So I think we're going to go and have a look at the view from the top of the Strat Tower, whatever it's called, tomorrow morning, because there's also some like other activities that you can do up there. But yes, it's been a bit of a boring vlog so far because we've literally just been like up, airport, plane, sleep, and that's about it. But hopefully tomorrow is going to be a little bit more exciting. We're going to go and check into the Venetian. So the Venetian is where we've got our 2-night free stay, and then tonight was a hotel just before, obviously, just for the night before, because it didn't make sense to just literally go to Vegas for 2 days, and we're also staying at another hotel for 2 nights after as well. So yes, I'm going to vlog that. That'll be really, really exciting because they all treat us to like sweets. But yes, really, really excited for that one, and I'll definitely take you all with me. So it's day 1, technically day 1, and this is what you can see from our window. Just literally like all the mountains. Me and Charlotte are just trying to get some work done so we can actually start our day. So we're just checking out the first room, and I literally could not be more casual. But this is my current situation and my current outfit. This bodysuit is the most uncomfortable thing I've probably ever wore. So I'm probably going to take that off when we get into the next hotel. But yes, comfy vibes today. So we've literally just been through the strictest security for walking up some escalators. But we're going to the big, what's it called? It's just the observation deck, isn't it? Top of the world at Strat Hotel. And then me and Jahan are going to go on one of the rides as well called the Big Shot, which should be really, really fun.
I'm scared of falling.
Oh my god, we're bigger than the Eiffel Tower. We're going to be taller than the Eiffel Tower.
You're going to be taller.
No.
Just got to the next observation deck, which is the outdoors one. Should have definitely brought my sunglasses, but look at this view. Obviously down there is like the main strip. So me and Jahan realised that's the ride that we're going on. Exciting. And look over here, there's literally like snow on the mountains. So you can see. How long does it do that? I'd love that. Like, I'd actually love that.
Are you videoing or taking?
Jahan have just got off the ride. How did you feel about that?
Better than what I think actually.
It was fun,
it was really good.
It was really, really fun. And then we get a, not very good lighting here, we get a free drink with the ride. So me and Charlotte have gone for a Miami Vice, and we're just sat at the bar drinking that now. So we have literally just checked in, well not just checked in, we're about to check into the Venetian. So just taking all our luggage and yeah, ready to go. It's massive, and this is the ceiling at the moment. Just for the entrance place. So we've just checked into the Venetian and oh my goodness. So it's gorgeous, and this is the bathroom. And then this is the suite. I just feel so blessed to be here. We've been took here by the company, so it's a free stay at the Venetian in Las Vegas, and it's like this year's just literally like couldn't have been crazier. I definitely didn't think I'd be starting my year 2020 in Vegas. So yeah, so very exciting. What's amazing is a lot of my business partners are here as well, so we're all, you know, we're all experiencing it together. We've got a really exciting weekend planned. So yes, I'm so happy to be here, feeling super lucky and super blessed. So Rosie, do you want to explain how you actually ended up getting here?
So it took us like 4 attempts. We've been to 2
I took you to the wrong floor, didn't I?
They've taken us to, you took us to floor 7.
17. We're on floor.
Right.
Hi, Alicia.
So, to start with, she took us to floor 17.
Yeah.
She's not on floor 17.
No, I'm not.
And then she was like, go to floor 7. So we went to floor 7, but that was in the wrong tower. And then we went to another tower. We went down to come back up, and we've been escorted 2 times.
Yeah.
Because there's so many towers in this place.
There is so many towers. Right, we're going to go on the gondola boats, aren't we?
Yeah.
Outfit change.
Not my outfit change, but you know.
Just a outfit. Right, let's go.
Outfit.
So just on the way back to the room, gonna get ready, and then we've got the meal tonight, playing an absolute tune in this elevator. So I'm actually the biggest idiot ever. Well, it was an easy mistake, but I've just had an absolute nightmare because I'm meant to be literally going for a meal in 45 minutes, and I just thought I'd have to share this. I left everyone else. We were like, yeah, let's go and get ready. We'll meet everyone later, just before the meal and the social, because we're all in different rooms. And I went up to my room and my key wasn't working. It just kept flashing red. And no, I haven't had it in my phone or my credit card, because I used to be a hotel receptionist, and I know that that is not a good idea, because it, like, you know, takes off the whatever it's called. It basically doesn't work. So I didn't have that. I made sure very carefully, because I know how many people had that because they didn't realise when I worked in a hotel. Anyway, so then I asked the can't think of the name, the cleaners and the housekeeping to let me in my room, and they said that they couldn't, and I had to go all the way back downstairs and ask security. And I went down and asked security, and they said that they were going to send someone to the room to let me in. So I was like, right, okay, I'll go back up. Literally, don't even know why. I went in the lift, and I think I pressed my floor, but I must not have done. And I just went up, and then I got out of the first floor, and I didn't even realise it was floor 4 until I was stood outside this poor man's room, and he came over and was like, I think that's my room. And I was like, no, I'm locked out my room. And then I saw on the door it said 4-3 and then my room number. And I was like, brilliant. So then I like ran up and apologised to him, let him know I wasn't a weirdo waiting outside his room, and that I had no intentions of any harm. And then I ran back up the lift, got to floor 7, and thought, this man has been waiting here for ages, and he was literally walking off, and I literally had to like call after him and be like, please let me in my room. And now I've got like half an hour to literally get ready, so that's just Lucy being an idiot. All ready. I've just got this dress, which is a pretty little thing. My bag is from Zara, that was in the Zara sale, and then these are Pretty Little Thing as well, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. But whether I'll be able to walk in them or not is a different story. I'm going to meet the rest of the the rest of us now at reception. And yeah, I'll try and vlog as much as possible, but we're going for a meal and then we're going to a bar slash club or whatever it's called Teo, which is in the Venetian, which we're really excited about as well. So we've literally just got to the recognition at dinner, and this is what the room looks like. And then we're all here ready. So the next course is fun. We actually had a lettuce before this, and I didn't think it was as interesting to vlog because it was literally just a lettuce. But the one that we've got now is scallop. Did you enjoy your lettuce?
Oh, it was fantastically lettuce.
You had the vegan special, didn't you?
Lettuce, no frills.
Lettuce, just no dressing, no dressing. So this is the last course, and I literally could have done with one of those because we're all a little bit stuffed. I'm going to try and power through the rest of it. So me and Jess's mum have found a drink that someone bought us at a bar, and it's like a secret drink, and we went over to him and asked him what it was, and now we've got our favourite drink. We don't know what it is, but it's amazing.
It's a green margarita,
yeah,
with Courvoisier,
tequila,
and green ginger beer, and it's amazing.
Very happy. Me faith. So it is day 2, and as you can probably tell by my voice, we ended up going out last night. I don't even know what time of day it is. It's like midday. 10:15 in England. Yeah, 10:15 in England, which makes it like, oh, 10:15 in the evening. Yeah. Oh right, okay, that makes sense. But we're literally just. Currently my cure, we're at this number where each one's like a different flavour, and this is what I should have gone for, but we went for the mango. So we found Shia and Hayley at the casino. You've been winning big? No. Fair enough. Yeah, you're going to have to show us how to do something, right? We don't have to play. This is what I was doing last night. I was literally just watching them like, no idea what I'm doing. I don't have to play.
That's easy. Roulette, we have to. Yeah, you just pick something and go, and that one.
So we're just in the queue for the gondola rides. Alicia's just the surface this morning. Feeling okay, babes? But look how cute these are. Oh. Alicia wants this. It's like a little Louis V print, isn't it?
I'm just trying to be cool.
But this is so cute. I actually want to take it home. So we've just got our ticket.
they all know each other?
We work together.
I actually thought you guys were a sister for a second.
Really? Oh, that's so cute. Sister
Is it
trio.
first time in London arrived?
Yeah.
I have not clean, it's Vegas. So don't touch, okay? Take pictures, take videos, just please do not drop anything.
So it's now around, I'm gonna say 9 o'clock because I don't actually know, and I do look like I'm naked, but I'm not. We're just getting ready to go to the fight after party, the Conor McGregor fight. So hopefully he's won, so there's a good atmosphere there. But this is what I'm wearing. A corset style dress with mesh inserts, and these are trusty favourites. And then I've just got my Tiffany necklace on, my perfume, my Tom Ford body shimmer, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. And then these, which are from, I'm going to say Pretty Little Thing, but they say like LOVE and XOX. So yeah, I'm not sure. This is quite a risky dress for me. Like, I don't usually wear anything like mesh or like see-through. So we'll see how I feel. I'll probably end up getting changed.
Are we rolling? Are we rolling?
We're rolling. We're already rolling.
Alright, and action. Take one, see one. Alright, what's up, y'all? Welcome to the vlog. It's Big Andrew, aka Faye. Whatever works for you guys works for me. Been losing so much money. If you have money, it's got all my money. I'm over for it, guys. I had very little money to begin with, and now it's gone.
But you had a good time.
Yeah, and I'm back to these two amazing English people. Do I want to go there now? Yup. We're going to call it a day.
So it is day 3. Go on, Rosie. If you want to intro it, you can.
Can I?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog.
Is that what you're going to give it? What are we doing today?
We are going to the Grand Canyon.
Yes.
We are doing a helicopter tour and we get the sunset as well.
It'll be nice. So we're literally just waiting here to get picked up, and then yes, probably just film again when we're actually in the sky. Oh my god, I've never been on a helicopter in my life.
Have you not?
No.
I don't know, over Niagara.
No, never. Oh my god.
I am very excited.
It's good.
Tell us what we're doing.
Just got to
Hi baby. Kind of Liz, tell us.
We're going on a helicopter ride over the Grand Canyon. It's really fun.
You look ecstatic to be here. Absolutely ecstatic.
I am ecstatic.
Oh look, they're filling up there.
Actually in the air. Yeah, I'd like to think so.
I'm glad it's just not 7 hours. I thought it was 7 hours. No, because they said there was a trip for 7 hours.
She thought it was.
And I thought.
Oh no, that's if you took the bus.
Yeah.
How there was no way we were going to do. So I've just purchased this beef jerky. It's $23.99, which is just extortionate, so it better be nice. And we're just waiting for the helicopter.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out.
So we've literally just got in. Me and she are co-pilots, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. It's going to be amazing.
But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me. So I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement, and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me. But now I'll lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. I ain't asking for permission, no. I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no. 'Cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode.
So as you'll notice, I didn't vlog after the helicopter because we all literally fell asleep in the minibus, but it was really, really, really fun. We're just checking out now, aren't we?
Yeah.
And then the next one that we're going to is just at the other end of the strip, so we're just on the way there. So I made a bit of a mistake and my camera is in my room. So I went out the room, realised, went back in and my key isn't working so I couldn't actually get back in. So we're just at the helicopter place now. We did the helicopter of Grand Canyon yesterday, which you were just in, which was absolutely amazing. We're just here now because we are all going on one over the strip. So yeah, really, really excited. The footage probably won't be amazing. I'm going to try and steal a little bit of this so I can show you everything over the strip. But yeah, really annoyed that I've left my camera and that's why this footage is all a little bit all over the place, but as per usual. So these little lovebirds got engaged yesterday, didn't you? You excited, Jill? Yeah, you are. last day. We're just about to check out now, but we're going to go to Fremont Street because we've done a lot this weekend, but we haven't been as much touristy as we thought we'd actually be. Mainly due to the fact that we've been asleep or in casinos, but I feel like that's probably what you should be doing in Vegas. So we're going to go and do some sightseeing today. We're going to check out the hotel. This is the hotel that we were in that I mentioned we were for 2 nights, and we're just going to go and eat a milkshake, maybe go to Heaters for lunch while we're here, and then yeah, the rest of the vlog is really going to be really boring. It's just going to be literally checking out and going to the airport. So I'm just going to do a little outfit of the day because I realised I haven't actually really been talking about what I've been wearing. But this Las Vegas top, look how cute it is. It's from Zara and I literally got it in the sale for like £9 just before we came out here. These shorts, bicycle shorts and Pretty Little Thing. My new Burberry rucksack, my, oh yeah, Tommy Hilfiger. It's like a, it's basically the Tommy Hilfiger logo, and then the Dior high tops, and this cute little headband which is from Zara. And yes, we're drinking champagne because we got given a bottle of champagne yesterday after our helicopter trip, and we thought it'd be really rude to just leave it, so drinking that because after this trip I'm not drinking for a long time. So yes, excited to just have a day of actually normality. Charlotte's in the background, strutting the stuff. Strutting in my sweatpants. So we've just arrived at this cute little like diner, which was in the hotel. Both got a shake. I got the Oreos milk and cream, something like that. And you went for the cookie dough? Chocolate chip cookie dough. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Cheesy fries, and then I've got my Cajun fries because I love a bit of spice on my fries. So we've literally just got to Fremont Street. Outside the Golden Gate, which apparently is the oldest casino in Vegas.
Yeah, I think it's a distraction thing.
So we've literally just arrived at the Vegas sign, our last little touristy spot of the day.
How about Venetian?
Second stop for food of the day. I've got Korean barbecue wings. They're happy with their vegan burgers. And you're waiting on yours, ages.
Cal's waiting for her cookie.
Apparently these are really, really spicy, but I don't know if that's to her or to me. I like spice, so we'll see.
If you like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all you want, 'cause your heart's made of gold. But don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I get
airport. We're really sad to leave, but I think our bodies needed it. And got one of these just before we go because they don't sell them in England. They don't, do they? No, I don't know juices. So it's mango and dragon fruit. We're just waiting for the flight now. And here's Becky. Hi. Getting in. Nice to see you here.
For school beer lunch.
We're just ending the vlog and saying that we're sad, but yeah, I think you have featured it.
What have I? Yeah, I just featured it.
Maybe once or twice. At the beginning and the end, but that's us. Vegas is done.
761.
Vegas done.
Yeah.
All passengers should.
So I was also going to show, because if I can get it open, this is my little memorabilia from Vegas, because apparently they only sell them in Vegas. And you can only buy them a set of 2, which was a bit annoying. But some little dice, or die I think is actually the correct thing.
Feels like an ocean.